Whoa, hold up. This is not just any launch. We are flying a bug. A little Astro bug on top of this rocket. This rocket is just approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times the size of the Astro bug. The Specco 2 has an MLP of 52, which means how many Maj heads are going to be in the actual booster of the rocket. This arguably is a lot. It's time to secure the Astrobug into the capsule. Now we tape him in and get him ready for the maiden voyage. Let's go, Astrobug.
Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have...
Well, that could have gone better, but it also could have gone a lot worse. As long as the Astrobug made it, we will be completely okay. And as you can see, he's chilling. As always, if you guys liked the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Stick around to see what we have coming next.